Hey guys, it's Ashley, and today I'm going to be showing you a stretch routine that you can do before a workout. You don't need anything for this routine, so let's go ahead and get started. If you're not in a place where you can do this video with me right now, add it to your watch later and join me whenever you can. Okay. Alright you guys, here are some functional stretch routines that I do before a workout. So I'm going to go ahead and start with my feet in front of me, and I'll show it to you once. I'm going to come over with both knees. I'm going to use my leg muscles to lift me up, and I'm going to come back down. You can use your hands if you really need to, but the point is we're just gently warming up the legs. So just twist to one side and lift it up. Switch to the next side. Switch. And lift it up. A few more times. No hands, no hands. Lift it up. Next side. And lift it up. Oof. And we could stay in the center for a second and just really work on the hip rotation. Alright, when you're ready, we're going to come into almost a child's pose. I'm going to reach one hand up, and I'm going to thread it through. I'm going to reach it back up and come down. Repeat the second side. Right arm up, thread it through, right arm up, back to center. Repeat that a few times. This really gets the full stretch and rotation of the arms. One more. Back to center. All right. While we're here, knees open and reach the arms forward. Child's pose. Couple breaths here, stretching out that upper back. Nice, you guys. All right, let's lay flat on our stomachs. Arms come out to a T. And we're going to take one leg, rotate it around till you tap the other side, and come back. Repeat second side. Hitting that lower back rotation. As slow as you need. Nice, you guys. Keep it going. Alright, coming up, I'm going to go ahead and do a hip flexor stretch because no matter what, that is always needed. So I'm just bringing one leg out almost to a lunge position, except instead of extending that back knee, I'm just keeping the knee on the ground and lifting my upper body up. Really lean forward, tuck the tailbone under. Extend the front, bend the back, and just a gentle hamstring stretch, flexing and pointing the toe. Lunge it forward, come through center so we can hit that second side. Back to the hip flexor stretch, but now we're on the left side. Hands down, straighten the front leg, give me a flex and a point. lunge it back out, come through center, and going through center a few times just to stretch the inside of our legs. Nice. Coming back to center, elbows really hitting the knees, twisting one side, twist the other side, gently bringing that feet together to gently roll up. Let's give our arms a stretch here. Left arm comes across. Of course, if you're gonna hit arms, gotta get a good stretch in. Other side. I try to make my stretch before my workouts short and sweet so that I can really just get into it and kill the day. If I spend too long stretching, I might just get into a slump. Let's go back to that left arm. Take the elbow, reach it over. Relax it down. Other side. A big one, you guys, is to make sure you're stretching out the quads. So I'm gonna grab them, except I'm tucking the tailbone in to get an extended stretch in that quad. Hold here for a good while, because especially if you're gonna hit legs, you don't want this to cramp up. Pull it, tuck that tailbone under a little bit further. Release it, shake it out, second side. Tuck the tailbone under. This one is more tense than my other leg. This is also a good balance exercise too. All right, now to stretch out my calves, I really want to get into them. So instead of just doing the basic little calf stretch, I like to go into a downward dog and pedal the feet. So I'm going to forward fold over, reach it out, and pedal the feet here. And if I really want an extra stretch, I'll put all my weight into one leg and roll out the other leg. Second side. And pedal them out. Walk the hands and feet together. I'm gonna kind of heel toe my feet out and just kind of relax here. Sometimes I'll hook my hands with my elbows and hang down here just to lengthen the spine and stretch out those hamstrings one more time. You can add a gentle swing. Pull it a little further, gently roll up. Last but not least, make sure to stretch out the neck. I do not recommend doing a full circle because that'll shear the joints. I like just doing isolation, so we're gonna do the maybe first, side to side. And you don't have to go too far in either direction here with these, forward and back. It's just getting the rotation going and the fluids going. You don't have to like really stretch it side, side, forward, back. Just gentle, get the joints moving. And looking, no, 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 side to side. All right, shake it all out and get ready for your workout. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. And if you liked my outfit in today's video, click the shelf below to purchase one for yourself. And be sure to check out the rest of the videos in our series. See you later.
Welcome to Yoga Plus. Courses available from pupil to yogi. Sort by yoga, fitness, and instructors. Create your own routines. Access the Pose Library. Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth, available on Google Play and the App Store.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.